Have you ever noticed the small turret on top of most robot vacuums? That's LiDAR, the robot's eyes. It may stick out, but it's essential. LiDAR maps your home for precise navigation. With that extra height, it creates cleaning blind spots. To fix that, Roborock reimagines navigation completely, introducing the RetractSense navigation system. It starts with a DTOF sensor that measures overhead space using lasers. If space is too tight, the LiDAR retracts. Thanks to RetractSense, the robot stands just 7.98 centimeters tall. The rear-facing visual module ensures a broad field of view even in narrow, low areas. Low spaces? No longer off-limits. And there's more. The top contact sensor detects tilted surfaces to avoid bumps and scrapes. After rounds of testing, it's proven to perform reliably long-term. RetractSense gives Roborock smarter, slimmer vision. Roborock Academy.